once there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Chinese phone maker Vivo was earlier expected to launch V19 on March 3rd, but now the company has confirmed to launch the handset on March 10th and put all the rumors to rest. Ahead of the official unveiling, Vivo has also given a sneak peek at the key features and specs of the device. Vivo Indonesia announced the arrival of V19 on Twitter and additionally shared an image of the unannounced smartphone, also /leaks, revealed an entire device design, revealing its complete look and features. The teasers reveal design details, color options, and camera specifications of the Vivo V19. The phone is being teased to have a quad camera setup at the back and a hole punch display up front. Vivo Indonesia's Twitter account has shared official renders of the Vivo V19 phone ahead of the launch, confirming these details. The phone is seen to sport white and blue gradient finishes, and there's a hole punch display at the front. The cutout is placed on the top right edge of the screen. There's a quad rear camera setup at the back, positioned on the upper left corner of the panel in an L-shaped manner. The rear cameras include a 48-megapixel main camera, and the front setup has a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Vivo V19 also has features like Super Night Selfie mode. In a separate tweet, the company confirmed that the Vivo V19 phone will launch in Indonesia on March 10th. As per past reports, there will also be a Vivo V19 Pro variant that will be launched in India alongside the Vivo V19. This Pro model is tipped to have dual selfie cameras in the front. The reported launch is just days away, but there has been no official announcement from the company's end for an India launch. It could be possible that the phone debuts in Indonesia and the India launch may follow next soon after. It is expected to be unveiled before the IPL 2020 season, a marquee cricketing tournament that Vivo sponsors.